Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you have the access code the issuer gave you, your Aadhaar-linked phone nearby, and Digilocker open. Sign in with your mobile number and complete OTP verification. This proves your identity. Once done, tap Get Documents or Issued Documents. That moves you from Setup into the Retrieval screen. Make sure to pick the correct issuer or document category. Otherwise, the access code won't match the request and you'll need to restart. You now pick the issuer and the exact document type the access code targets because Digilocker ties codes to those fields. Once selected, carefully enter the access code. Small typos break the link and many codes expire in minutes. After input, Digilocker shows the permission screen, review what the issuer will share, then tap Authorize or Fetch. This step pulls the certified document into your account, so wait for the confirmation and avoid closing the app mid-transfer. Finally, check Issued Documents to confirm the file is present. Download or link it where needed. If the access code fails, don't panic. Request a new code from the issuer, and make sure your phone's time and network are correct because codes can be time-bound. If problems persist, clear the app cache or switch to the web portal and try again. This often fixes session or token issues. Keep the issuer's contact ready if you need reissuance or verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.